Honey,
What?
where are we going, honey?
I don't know, wherever you're taking us.
You know.
Somewhere here in Zoar.
Zoar. Do you want to move to Zoar?
No, it's not what you... Not like Denison.
Not like Denison?
Oh, Denison's got all kinds of shit down there, man.
That's not.
Gas station.
We just left a
Little
gas
fruit
station,
bar.
honey.
Yeah, it's Bolivar, though. Not Zoar. I don't know. I suppose I can move down here to Zoar. It's got a nice flower garden there you can sit into and contemplate life with it.
You're not allowed to sit there, I don't think. It's a tourist thing.
I don't care. They got benches there. Sit on the ground, man.
They have pumpkin patches up here.
That's nice.
And Christmas tree farms. Honey,
What?
are you going to go cut down a Christmas tree?
No.
Why?
Because Felicia's got one.
Well, how do you know I have one?
Everybody got a Christmas tree.
Everybody's got a Christmas tree?
I think so.
Look, here's the Christmas tree farm. Cut your own Christmas tree. Well, how do you know I have a Christmas tree?
What, you don't have a Christmas tree?
I do. Anything you'd like to say before we enter into Zoar? Look, honey. No engine brake.
I love watching them. I like coming up on those signs because that's the first thing I do when I see them. Pop that puppy on, let it run.
Here comes your pretty flower garden.
Yeah.
Would you like to?
Looks better in the springtime.
Maybe we'll have to come here in the spring after we go to Tasty Cream.
Look at that.
Ooh,
It's not as colorful in the fall as it is in the spring.
Alright, I have to turn the video off.
See, there is benches in there you can sit down on.
Okay.
This is a historical town here.
Yeah. Would you like to say some final words before we...
Oh, please, God, help us.
Yes, we're in the squeaky car, people. Okay. Bye, honey.
Bye.
Adios. Hasta luego.
Ciao. See you later.